I think I'll give you a little tour. Yeah, give you a little tour. She's washed now. Got to do the alloys. The alloys are filthy. Lovely salubrious background here. Not. Yeah. I do wonder sometimes if she is turning yellow. No, she's still orange. So as you can see, it's rained. Yeah, it's looking a bit dirty. I didn't buy them in gloss, they're matte. And I'm considering putting them on the back here. I've got some to go on the back too. There. Yeah. Got my back sticker. I don't know what to do with that one. Any spiders? Nope. Looks like I took them all away. Right, there we go. You get a tour. And there's Bella down the road. Oh, nice and clean inside, apart from that was taken her out once. But otherwise, nice and clean. Right, there we go. I've got an aphid. Yeah, nice and clean.